Swami himself, we have literally basked in his glory many times. We just used to sit around him and Swami will pick him up. And everybody used to think that actually all of them are like that. It was never like that. It was only that he was like that. And that's why Swami picked every time only Brother Ashwath Narayan. Then we have Brother Anand Parshuraman. Another wonderful, wonderful voice and wonderful singer. He joined in the music college, in the Mirpuri Music College. After completing his diploma, he joined Radio Sai, and today he is one of the team members for Anirudh, who creates a lot of music along. And once he starts singing, you will know. Of course, for many of you, voices will be familiar, probably name and faces will be, you will know. And then we have Brother Sumukh Nandan. He is a PhD. He has just submitted his thesis yesterday. He submitted his thesis yesterday in physics. He's one of the leading researchers of the university. And that is what Swami always told us, is that most of these brothers, all of these brothers whom you see, are at least postgraduates. Okay, and this also happens to be our job, right? Which is singing bhajans. A lot of people think that, "Arey, ye bhajan group matlab bhajan karte rehte hain." Yes, in fact, our whole life should become a bhajan, right? But whatever work we do, if you are able to sing Swami's name along with it, then that becomes sacred. So most of these brothers are like that. And last but not the least, definitely, is Brother Anant. He is pursuing his PhD in mathematics. We have another mathematician amongst us. And he is one of the pure mathematicians. I don't even know what topic, in the sense it's so fuzzy, his work. And so, yeah, so we have another one of the, some of these singers, they don't need a paper while singing. They have library lists flowing inside of them. And that is what Anant is one such other brother. He learns a song once and it is there in, it's stored in his hard disk forever. And that is something that we envy him with. So, without taking much more time. We want you to be introduced by no, I am, you know who I am. I've been bugging you from yesterday. Okay. So, my name is Amey Deshpande, and that is this body's name, because we decided yesterday, right? When we gave our introductions, we said that we will go with what Swami has told us to introduce, which is, we are the self. All right. So, we have about 9 songs, and what we have tried to do is, we have tried to have, because the entire India is over here. We have representation from every corner, nook and corner of India. And so we have chosen songs in all languages. And, and that is one thing that, once again, all our brothers can do. You know, they are all multilingual. And so we will try and offer to Swami our collective efforts and seek His grace and His blessings. We will start with Brother Ravi. About last night, at about 11 o'clock, we decided that this is the song that he should sing. And he has picked it up, and that's why I said, you know, there are some brothers over here who are just gifted by Swami, and that's why I'm very envious of them. This next song is another beautiful song. Let's all travel up north to the beautiful city of Amritsar, into the Golden Temple. This is one song that talks about our Guru. I don't think this song needs an introduction. It is Ek Onkar. And so we'll straight dive into the song.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भर निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजुनि सैभव गुरु प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। गुरु मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंद मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंद गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंत गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंत गुरु मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंद गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंत गुरु मेरी पूजा। गुरु मेरा देव अलख अभेद गुरु मेरा देव अलख अभेद सर्व पूज चरण गुरु सेव सर्व पूज चरण गुरु सेव गुरु मेरी पूजा गुरु गोविंद गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म गुरु भगवंत गुरु मेरी पूजा। गुरु का दर्शन देख देख जीवा गुरु का दर्शन देख देख जीवा गुरु के चरण धो सोए पीवा। गुरु मेरा ध्यान, गुरु हृदय ध्यान, गुरु मेरा ध्यान, गुरु हृदय ध्यान, गुरु गोपाल मूरत भगवान, गुरु गोपाल मूरत भगवान, गुरु मेरी पूजा, गुरु गोविंद, गुरु मेरा पार ब्रह्म, गुरु भगवंत, गुरु मेरी पूजा। वाहे गुरु जी बोलो, सतनाम 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 जी बोलो, नित्य नित्य जपिए तेरे नाम जी बोलो, सतनाम 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 जी बोलो, गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय, राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय, गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय, गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय, गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय, जय जय गोपाल जय जय, राधा रमण हरि गोविंद 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 जय जय, गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय, गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय, ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्वाण निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अर्जुन सभम गुरु प्रसाद जप गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय, गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय।
From up north, let's travel back right down south to the beautiful state of Kerala. Of course, the next song doesn't need a knowledge of Malayalam because it's just a beautiful song in praise of Lord Krishna, the wonderful, beautiful little Lord of Guruvayur. While we get ready, maybe I can share one more experience. I'm reminded of one day Swami had come into the portico and he asked me this question. He said, "Do you know why you are here? That is, why are you near me? Why are you having this opportunity to be a student?" And I said, "Swami, this is your grace." And then Swami gave me this beautiful mathematical, he said, 90% is my grace, 9% is your parents' prayers, and 1% is your effort. So, okay, I don't know why you all are clapping. Are you clapping at my lack of effort or? Because I just said 1% is my effort and all of you clapped. So I don't know for what exactly you are clapping. But if you are clapping for the Lord's grace, then that's exactly what we need, yes. And this is what this song talks about. Krishna Krupa Sagaram. He is the one who is the ocean of all grace. And this song is dedicated to him.
कृष्ण कृपा सागरम कृष्ण कृपा सागरम कृष्ण कृपा सागरम कृष्ण कृपा सागरम गुरुवायुपुरम जनिमोक्षकरम गुरुवायुपुरम जनिमोक्षकरम कृष्ण कृपा सागरम कृष्ण कृपा सागरम मुनिजनवन्दित मुरहर बालम मुनिजनवन्दित मुरहर बालम मुरलीलोलम मुकुरकपोलम मुरलीलोलम मुकुरकपोलम अनन्तशयानम् कृष्ण अनन्तशयानम् अरविन्दनयनम् अनन्तशयानम् अरविन्दनयनं वन्दे मधुसूदनम् कृष्ण कृपा सागरम् कृष्ण कृपा सागरम् राधा हृदयं हरिमधुनिलयम् Radha used to pine for Krishna, and Swami used to tell so much about Radha's devotion. In fact, Swami used to tell Radhaku Aradham Adharam E Dhara Aradhana, meaning the constant worship of Krishna was Radha's hallmark. Krishna, 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 Radha Hridayam Hari Madhunilayam. Radha used to search for Krishna in everything, in mountains, rivers, trees, birds, and everywhere. And finally Radha realized that Krishna is in everything. कृष्णा 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 राधा हृदयं हरिमधुनिलयं राधा हृदयं हरिमधुनिलयम् अधरं शोणं मनसि जबाणम् अधरं शोणं मनसि जबाणं सुगन्धनिधानं सुरुचिरवदनं 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 सुगन्धनिधानं सुरुचिरवदनं लास्यं मतिमोहनं कृष्णकृपासागरं कृष्णकृपासागरम् गुरुवायुपुरं जनिमोक्षकरं गुरुवायुपुरं जनिमोक्षकरं कृष्णकृपासागरम् 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 कृष्णकृपासागरम्
The next song is one of Swami's most favorite songs, and it is also an anthem of many sorts for all Sai devotees, for all Sai students. I'm sure you all know which song I'm talking about, Madhura Mohana Ghanashyama, and we request all of you to join along when we sing this. Just to let you know that while most of the lyrics are the same that we see in many songs, the second paragraph of this song is something that Swami, to see Swami enjoying this song is probably the most heart-warming and overwhelming feeling. Because the second stanza of this song says, Ninne dhyanincha leni deha melano, which means, other than meditating on your form, what is the use of this body? Ninne pujincha leni karamu lelano, which means other than doing your puja, for what use is this hands? Ninnu marachi nintalanchani janma melano. What is if not for remembering you and having your memories, what is the use of this birth? And whenever we used to sing this, Ninu, but for seeing you, what are the use of these eyes? And whenever this used to be sung, he will point at his eyes, he will show his hands, he used to show his entire body. He used to almost enact this entire song when we used to sing this song for him. So let's have that image in front of our eyes while we all sing this song, Madhura Mohana Ghanashyama.
తల్లి తండ్రి గురువు దైవము బంధువు నీవే సఖుడవెల్ల నీవే సాయి నీ పదాబ్జములను నిత్యము కొలుతుము నీ పదాబ్జములను నిత్యము కొలుతుము సాయి రామా నీవే శరణు మాకు సాయి రామా నీవే శరణు మాకు श्याम सुंदर स्वामी आनंद प्रदायी मानदाया राशि होई मधुर मोहन घन श्याम सुंदर स्वामी आनंद प्रदायी आनंदाया राशि होई నిన్ను చూడని కన్ను లేనలో నిన్నే మరచి నింతలంచని జన్మమేలలో నిన్ను కలవని జీవమేల జీవమేల నిన్ను కలవని జీవమేల జీవమేల మయూర మోహన ఘన శ్యామ సుందర స్వామి ఆనంద ప్రదాయి ఆనందాయ రాసి గోరి
is a Marathi song. It's a very famous song from the famous movie that released a few years ago, which is called Mana Mandira, from the famous movie Katyar Kaljat Ghusli. This song talks about our mind being a temple. But this is a very different kind of a song because it doesn't talk just about the Lord in his physical form residing in our in this temple of our minds, but about the great infinite possibilities that this mind has. And it is saying that, oh mind, don't restrict yourself. Jump out, fly, and become this effulgent being that you can be. So this song, once again, is a fast-paced song. And over to Ashwath to sing this Mana Mandira.
मन मंदिरा दे जाने मन मंदिरा दे जाने उजलून घे साधना मन मंदिरा दे जाने उजलून घे साधना मन मंदिरा दे Gari Magari Dani Da Niri da da niri da da niri da da ba 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 ni da ba 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 ni da ba ba ni da ni ri 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 ba ni da ma ga ri ri ga ri ga ri da ni da ni da ba ri ga ri ga ri da ni da ri ga ri da ba ni da ni ba ba ni da ni da ni da ni da ni da ba 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 ni da ba ba ga ri da ni da ni da ni ba ba ni da ba ba ni da ni ri ri ga ri ga ri da ni ni ba ba ni da
Moving on, if it's possible. We have come to the fag end of this program. We have just 2 more songs to go. But before we take up this next song, which is a Qawwali, I'm reminded of a beautiful incident that used to happen. So whenever Swami would be talking to the students, several devotees would come, so-called VIPs. And what used to happen, a very interesting thing used to happen. Swami would, come up to the students and, he will say, today who has come? Chief Minister has come. Chief Minister Vachadu. And some other day he will say, do you know who has come? One big businessman has come. Some Tata or, some such kind of. And some other day he will say, some big scientist has come. And that stupid minds that we have, especially I have, I should not say we, I should say me. I used to always say, Swami, why are you trying to show off? Okay, so what if the chief minister comes? So what if the businessman comes? So what, And I used to wonder why Swami is coming to the students and saying, this person has come, that person has come. And one of the days, Swami came and he only said one thing. Once again, some big shot had come, he was sitting over there. And Swami said, that man is waiting for me, but I am talking to you. Let us go a little bit into the depth of this, which is, Swami is trying to tell us that, what all we want in life is what we want: power, we want money, we want status, we want achievements, we want our ambitions to be fulfilled. All of that is sitting over there. All of that is sitting in the upper portico. And after getting all of that, they are coming to me. Because all of that is not what life is all about. And after getting all of that in their life, they have come to me. But you know what I am doing? I am coming to you. Because I want to tell you that keep me as number one in your life. You will not have to take this long, arduous journey all the way through the vicissitudes of life to come and sit over here in the upper portico while I am giving myself to you right over here. That is how we have to hold on to Swami, because he is the only treasure worth having in our life. And this song, this next Qawwali, talks about that. It is a famous Qawwali, Shirdi Wale Sai Baba, and we have come to unke darbar mein aaye hain hum.
ज़माने में कहाँ टूटी हुई तस्वीर बनती है, तेरे दरबार में बिगड़ी हुई तकदीर बनती है। तारीफ तेरी निकली है दिल से, आई है लब पे बन के कवाली। शिरडी वाले साई बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे सवाली। शिरडी वाले साई बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे सवाली। लपे दुआएं आंखों में आंसू, दिल में उम्मीदें पर झोली खाली। शिरडी वाले साई बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे सवाली। दर पे सवाली आया है दर पे सवाली। ओ बाबा शिरडी वाले साई बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे सवाली। ओ हो हो ओ हो हो ओ हो हो। ओ मेरे साई देवा तेरे सब नाम लेवा। ओ मेरे साई देवा तेरे सब नाम लेवा। जुदा इंसान सारे सभी तुझको है प्यारे। सुने फरियाद सबकी तुझे है याद सबकी। बड़ा या कोई छोटा नहीं मायूस लौटा। अमीरों का सहारा गरीबों का गुजारा। अमीरों का सहारा गरीबों का गुजारा। तेरी रहमत का किस्सा बयां हम सब करें क्या। दो दिन की दुनिया दुनिया है गुलशन। सब फूल काटे तो सबका माली। शिरडी वाले साई बाबा आया है तेरे घर पे सवाली। खुदा की शान तुझ में दिखे भगवान तुझ में। खुदा की शान तुझ में दिखे भगवान तुझ में। तुझे सब मानते हैं तेरा घर जानते हैं। चले आते हैं दौड़े जो खुशकिस्मत है थोड़े। ये हर राही की मंजिल ये हर कश्ती का साहिल। जिसे सबने निकाला उसे तूने संभाला। जिसे सबने निकाला उसे तूने संभाला। तू बिछड़ों को बुझे दीपक जलाए, तो बिछड़ों को मिलाए, बुझे दीपक जलाए, तो बिछड़ों को मिलाए, बुझे दीपक जलाए। ये गम की रातें रातें काली, इनको बना दे ईद और दिवाली। शिरडी वाले साईं बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे सवारी। लपे दुआएं आंखों में आंसू, दिल में उम्मीदें पर झोली खाली। शिरडी वाले साईं बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे सवारी। शिरडी वाले साईं बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे सवारी। शिरडी वाले साईं बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे सवारी। शिरडी वाले साईं बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे सवारी। शिरडी बाबा साईं बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे
Lakshmi was sent or was invited to sing at the United Nations, she had gone to her guru, Chandrasekharendra Saraswati, to write a few lines for her. And this is the song that he wrote. And this is in a universal language of Sanskrit. And the beauty of this was, of Srimati M.S. Subbalakshmi, is that eventually when Chandrasekharendra Saraswati was to pass away, when he knew that his time had come to give up this mortal coils, he called her and he said, "Till now you were with your guru, now I will send you to your God." And he sent her to Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. One of the most ardent and beautiful devotees of our Swami, M.S. Subbalakshmi, we can go on and on and on about her. We'll end with this song, which is a beautiful song of unity. This song was sung in the United Nations. And this talks about how the entire world has to come together. And today, more than any other time in history, we need this song. Maitrim Bhajata by Anirudh.
मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्री मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्री मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्री आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेश्वर क्रममाक्रमणं त्यजत परेश्वर क्रममाक्रमणं आक्रमणं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्री मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्री जननी पृथ्वी कामदुघासे जननी पृथ्वी कामदुघासे जननी पृथ्वी कामदुघासे जनको देवः सकल दयालु जनको देवः सकल दयालु दाम्यतदत्त दयध्वं जनता दयध्वं जनता दाम्यतदत्त दयध्वं जनता श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
This is the beauty of the students of the Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning. They are experts in delivering lectures, messages, trainers. Besides that, they can also very devotedly entertain us with songs which touches our hearts. Thanking Bhagwan for this wonderful opportunity on behalf of all the participants that are present here today. Dear brothers, our participants, as a token of their love and gratitude, today would like to offer a small token of our love for this program. To begin with, I'll request, before I go on to the participants, I would request our academic board member of this program, Dr. Giri Shankar, to come forward and present a memento or a token of our love and affection at the Divine Lotus Feet to Brother Amay Deshpande. Please put your hands together to Brother Amay. Brother Amay is not only a very accomplished speaker, he is a very accomplished singer, and the way he anchored this program, it was wonderful. It was wonderful. Absolutely incredible is the word. I now request Brother Sai Gollapudi to present a memento to Brother Ravi Kumar. Swamnagar.
Of your time, I think you've heard from everybody like how lucky you are. You've been chosen to be here, but I just must share one more thing. I had the opportunity to travel with All India President Shri Nimish Bhai, and they had already received the notification from the government that no public functions should be held. And in fact, our program, it was at stake. You understand? It could have been cancelled. But you are really the fortunate, blessed ones, because ours was the last program now, as of now. And the announcement made in the mandir this evening was, Swami must have really waited for you all, believe me, to give you this darshan, believe me. Because the announcement made in the mandir today was, from tomorrow, because of this notification, nobody can touch the samadhi. That is the notification given till they, come out with further announcement. It has been made. So you can imagine how blessed and lucky you are. Let's be thankful to Baba for this. Thank you.
Man proposes and God disposes. That's how it is. One interesting thing, I was just looking at all the names that were read out. I didn't know this, but I realized it right now that 98% of the online instructors are Swami students. 98%. There are only two guys here who are not Swami students, that Giri Shankar and me. We are the only two ones, who don't belong to the institution, but we belong to the system. But fascinating, we didn't know that it was, planned and programmed by Bhagwan in that manner. I am from the universe of Swami. Right. So before we end and have Harti, there's one youngster here who's amongst us, before we track 12 midnight, he celebrates his birthday today. So we thought, it's a great moment for all of us to celebrate his birthday. We have a cake from him. May I request Nikhil to come forward? What great moment can he have to, cut the cake in front of Bhagwan's people?
His name is Vinay. Let's all sing happy birthday. His name is Vinay.
And Sai Gollapudi is a very extraordinary singer. He will sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Nikhil. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, dear Nikhil. Happy birthday to you.
Pati Maheshwara, Om Jai Jagadish Hare. Shashivadana Shrikara, Sarva Pranapate, Swami Sarva Pranapate. आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाग ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंदुको मंगल आरती अंदुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी